In this video, we will show you how to properly insert and remove your hearing aid. Let's first review the main parts of your device. The ear mold is the part that sits inside the ear. The hearing aid sits behind the ear. The tubing connects the ear mold to the hearing aid. The sound hook is the curved part where the tubing attaches to the hearing aid. This is also sometimes called a tone hook. Let's begin with discussing insertion. As shown, it is important to ensure the mold is completely pushed into your ear and the hearing aid is completely tucked behind your ear. This can be done in either order, mold first and then hearing aid, or hearing aid and then mold. Watch as this user demonstrates both techniques. Next, let's discuss removal. As shown, it is important to avoid removing your device by creating pull on the tubing, whether you do so by pulling on the hearing aid or on the tubing itself. This risks the tubing and ear mold separating. Watch as this user demonstrates two techniques for properly removing your device. For more information and support related to managing your devices, please connect with us by visiting our website or contacting our center.